Hello everyone. Today is my first day at EY. Some days are more than just dates on a calendar. They become memories you carry forever. Last week Wednesday was my first day at EY, but it was a virtual onboarding. But today Monday, it was my first day at EY where the in-person orientation will happen. A new workplace, a new chapter and a moment filled with excitement, nervousness and a whole lot of gratitude. A new beginning but not an entirely new world. After spending some incredible years at Deloitte, I am stepping into a new chapter with EY, and coming from one big four to another feels similar in many ways, but new organization brings its own culture, people, challenges and opportunities to grow. For me, this journey is not just about changing companies, it's about changing myself, learning something new, taking on big responsibilities and creating a stronger path for my career. There in Deloitte, I was working as a consultant where my role was of an assistant manager, and here the role is more senior. Here I am working as a senior consultant, and moving from one big four to another comes with sense of familiarity but also a fresh perspective. New people, new challenges, a different work culture, new opportunities to learn. You can see that the meal was given to us, and here you can also see the canteen area as well. Before your in-person orientation, they will be asked over mail about your food preferences, veg or non-veg, and the sizes of your t-shirts. So it will be given to you on the in-person orientation day, that is today. Also, the onboarding kit and the joining kit will be given to you, where I will show you whatever all I will be getting. So today your laptop, bags, ID cards, everything will be given. So in the meantime, from 10 to 5 o'clock in the orientation time, you'll be given breaks, and also you'll be getting rewards for being interactive on the session. So here you can see the t-shirts and the joining kit as well as bags will be given to us. Getting introduced to EY, its culture, then its values, meeting new people and new experiences, the whole induction journey made it truly feel like, okay, this is home now. Later on I'll show you that what all the things we got in our joining kit, and today the session has come to an end. So that's all about the first day at EY. And another one important thing that I want to share, that what made joining here even more special, because my husband had joined EY just 2 weeks before me. Before this we were working in Infosys also together, and before that our college was also same, so it made it more special. So here you can see the joining kit and the things that we got, and now it's time to go home. So that's all about today, and it's raining when going back home. So I guess you have liked my video, and if you have any queries you can comment me down. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you in my next vlog. Bye bye.